What's up, kings and queens? My name is George, myotherapist and personal trainer. We're going to be doing the standing strict overhead press, okay? Knowing how to do this will translate into being able to do any pressing exercise really well, so make sure you listen up and you get this right. What I like to do is I like to have what you want to do. So the grip width, what you're going to have is when the bar is at your chin, I want to have a vertical angle of my forearms, okay? This would be too close, this would be too wide, all right? So you're not going to know what your grip width is until you do a couple reps and you see yourself in the mirror. Now, what I do is I am about here, roughly. I go suicide grip, so thumbs over the bar, okay? Thumbs over the bar. And I'm going to come under the bar, squeeze my shoulder blades back, squeeze them down, okay? Then I'm going to get my chin underneath the bar, my shoulders are all set, and I'm going to pick up the bar. My knees are bent right now. I'm going to pick them up with my legs, lock the knees, step backwards. My feet are quite wide. I've got my legs locked. I'm looking up and I'm pressing. Like that. When I get really fatigued in the set, you can get some rest by locking the elbows, leaning forward. Then I'll breathe in, brace my abs, tongue to the roof of the mouth. So I use that as a get out of jail card towards the end of the set when I need to get the most out of the set, okay? But we are leaning back, shoulders down towards glutes, and we're only coming down to our chin, guys. So when we're lifting, and you'll notice, I go to about 95% lock. The reason why I go to 95% lock is if I go to 100, I'm going to lose my shoulder tension, okay? And then if I lose my shoulder tension, I'm not going to have any stability in the exercise, all right? So remember those cues when you were doing the strict overhead press, and thank you for watching.